Hi everyone, this is how to copy the non-credit CGSL 001 and 002 into your shells. From your dashboard, please find your shell. You will click on your shell. Then go all the way down to the bottom where you see settings. Click on the settings button. On the far right-hand side, you will see import course content. Click on that button. This will take you to the page where it says import content. Click on the drop-down menu to copy a Canvas course. Select a course. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom and find the non-credit CGSL 002 or 001 training shell. Then you're going to want to click on all content, then click on the import button. This will copy everything over from the training shell into your shell. Good luck! If you have more questions, please send me an email.